Hello everyone, so it is Friday the 23rd of August and the market hasn't closed yet, but I do want to have a look ahead of next week what I'm going to be looking for on my wish list and just run through some of the major currency pairs. So starting off with the US dollar basket, it is still attempting, especially when looking at the weekly here, it is still attempting to break through that 97, 98 level and head on higher. It could also, it's not of course possible it could fail, but it is certainly just doesn't want to quit. So it's been climbing since March 2018 and my expectation is to see this continue to try to break through those levels. If I look at the majors, euro dollar here, euro dollar is looking nice and weak. Same, so supporting the idea of a stronger US dollar. Cable, although in the shorter term I expect GBP to strengthen and head up towards the 1.24 level into these moving averages before potentially continuing. That would make more sense to me because it's well overextended. But also looking at this monthly candle that's forming here for historical level, historical lows. They're not the lowest points. We were lower in the 80s, but certainly in recent decades, and looking to see that if that forms a nice bullish candle, this might be the bottom for cable. We'll see how that goes. I'm certain the appropriate politicians will take credit for any strengthening in the pound and claim it's in the name of or in the favor of Brexit. At any rate, Aussie US dollar is looking nice and weak. That wants to head lower, supporting a stronger US dollar. Kiwi, absolutely, but Kiwi is now also approaching a historical level and is overextended. So at some point in the coming weeks, I expect that to do a retracement. Dollar yen is forming a bullish breakout pattern, so that supports the idea again of a stronger dollar. Dollar Swissy also finding a strong historical level. No clear trend. It's actually a downtrend at the moment, but not necessarily a stronger or weaker US dollar. And dollar CAD forming a stronger dollar bullish breakout pattern here to the upside. So unless some surprising news comes out, my expectation is to see a stronger dollar over the next week. And of course, a breakout of that will see a significant change, at least in trends in the markets for the shorter term. Looking at some of the pairs that might be interesting next week, the euro crosses. The euro is itself looking inherently weak. Euro yen, euro Swissy, euro CAD, all with existing downtrends. Euro Aussie and Kiwi being the exception to that. They're not looking as bearish, and possibly some of the GBP pairs. But for now, expecting a stronger US dollar in the short to medium term, in other words, over the next week or two or three. And we'll be keeping an eye on the strongest trends there.